Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Keith, and today I've got another product review to show you guys. This is the SprintBooster version 3, and this is for the 2009 Lamborghini Gallardo. And basically what this module allows me to do is have more control over the throttle response. Basically what I'm wanting to do is increase and make the throttle response faster. And that's because this car comes equipped stock from the factory with a drive-by-wire system. And they've kind of slowed it down just a little bit to kind of help with a little bit smoother driving characteristics and ease of drive. But for a lot of car enthusiasts, we want the throttle response to be pretty much instant. And that's pretty much what this product allows you to do. So I'm going to show you guys what's in the box. We'll do a quick DIY on how to install, and then we'll go have some fun and we'll get some driving impressions. Okay, let's see what's in the box here. Okay, we have our user guide. So we'll review that. Basically, this is going to help us to operate the different modes. So you got off, green light would indicate sport mode, red is for race mode, and then you can select the different levels per mode. So 1 through 9 step systems. You can dial in the throttle response that you like. And then with the version 3, you've got 2 more modes. You've got a pedal lock mode and also a valet mode. That's pretty cool. And then we have our installation and quick start instructions here. So it looks like we have some nice diagrams, easy to follow instructions. Okay, looks good. Okay, then here we have the SprintBooster selector. Let's see what that looks like. Oh. There we go. So got plenty of cord. Nice compact little selector to select the different modes, and then you can dial in the steps with that. Got extra zip tie and double-sided tape for mounting. And then this is the actual SprintBooster device. This is what we're going to be plugging into the car, and that's what allows us to adjust the throttle response. So that's about it. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are. And this is the plug to the pedal assembly that we're trying to get access to. So just move this boot up out of the way. And where my finger is on this side of the plug, that's where that releasing tab is at. It's gray. And the trick is to push down on it as hard as you can. Let me try to get another angle here. And you hear a little click. And then it should pop out. So this is that gray tab I was talking about, and you got to push down really hard on it. Okay, so now we have the SprintBooster device, and we'll plug this in. Okay, like that. Okay, so now we have our SprintBooster plugged into the pedal, and then the other end of the SprintBooster plugged into the factory harness. And as you can see, this is how that gray tab looked that I was talking about in the beginning, that you're having to push down on really hard. So that's how you do that. And then we'll plug in the SprintBooster controller to there and run our wire. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged in the controller that goes into that white socket right there, and then just kind of tucked everything back behind the panel. Then the wire to the controller, this one here, I just kind of ran it behind the carpeting, you know, all the way around, and just kind of tucked it down into here. So I'll show you where that goes. Okay, and then basically just have the controller here in this little glove box, and easy to get to. Okay, well, the installation wasn't too bad, so let's go take this thing for a quick test drive, and I'll give you guys my reactions. Alright. Okay, so I got it on green number 5. Definitely some quicker throttle response. That was just green, so let's try the next setting. Okay, now we got red number 5. Spun the tires a little bit. Wow. Definitely feels faster. The throttle comes on a lot quicker in that race mode. Let's see, so we're in second gear. To kind of squat and go as soon as you hit the throttle, so a lot faster throttle response. You definitely got to get you one of these. Or we'll do that again. We've got a little bit of a straight, coming up. So we're gonna downshift. We're in second, about 4,000 RPM. Wants to go like right off the bat. As soon as you give it some gas, it's really responsive. So that's third gear. And if I mash it, it puts you back in the seat pretty quick. It's a lot more responsive than stock. Alright, so we'll do another second gear. Go. Wow. That's a lot of fun, guys. You gotta get one. That's definitely a lot faster throttle response than stock. Yeah. Awesome. Ooh, that was fun. Yeah. So tried it out in green number 5. That was a lot quicker than stock, and then did red number 5. That was even faster. So super fast throttle response. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I'm sold. So if you don't have one, you might want to get one. Easy install, a lot faster throttle response. It really changes the attitude of the car. I really like it. So, well, thanks for checking out the channel, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.